simple things that happen in our daily life. But have you ever wondered why we sneeze or what happened during the sneeze? So I will talk about these matters. The first is, why do we sneeze? Sneezes are speedy and sneezing superstitious. The first is, why do we sneeze? So sneezing, also called sternutation, is our body's way from removing an irritation from our nose. So when your nose gets a tickle, a message is sent to our special part of our brain called sneeze center. And then the sneeze center sends a message to all of the muscles that have to work together to create the amazingly complicated process that we call sneeze. The next is, sneezes are speedy. So the spray from a sneeze has been documented to travel as far as 3 feet or can be further than that. So this is how we sneeze in slow motion. It's maybe disgusting, right? Sneezes travel about 100 miles per hour, and a single sneeze can send about 100,000 germs into the air. So that's why we have to cover our sneeze. So rather than using our hands to cover it, we better cover our sneeze with our elbow. So not only just because the germ maybe the germ is used from your hand, so covering the sneeze by your elbow keeps germ from spreading. The next is, this is myth or fact that your heart stops when you sneeze. So this is actually not true. Well, when you sneeze, when your chest contracts because of a sneeze, your blood flow may be momentarily constricted as well. As a result, your heartbeat may be changed, but it actually doesn't stop. Next is myth or fact that your eyeball will pop out of your head when you sneeze with your eyes open. Have you tried sneeze with your eyes open? No. So this is also a myth. This won't happen. So when your blood pressure behind the eyes is increased, so it's not enough to dislodge your eyeball from your head. So I have a video about someone who tried to sneeze with his eyes open.